prayer for healing and trust in Jesus. Jesus, my healer and my hope. I come before you with a heart that needs your touch. You see every wound, every fear, and every weakness in me. I surrender it all into your hands. I believe you are working even when I can't see it. When I am weak, be my strength. When I am afraid, be my peace. When I feel broken, be my healer. I trust in your love and in your perfect will for my life. Let your presence fill me with peace and restore every part of me. I receive your healing in faith and with thanksgiving. In your powerful name, Jesus. Amen.